Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to delete the prompt. Actually, you just searched it. How to delete the old prompt is search in the search history of your Google Gemini on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show and reveal how to delete the search history of Gemini prompt. So I just opening the Gemini, I just need to delete my old prompt, which means the old search history of the prompt. So just do this step, you can just use it and you can just delete it and organize it. So first of all, just click on the three dot option on the top. Now you can see these are the things actually I just searched on my using Gemini. So I just need to delete some of the prompt I didn't want to see on the search history or search history of the Google Gemini. So first of all, just long press on the prompt. You have the pop-up on the bottom section with the three options. Here I just go with the delete option. And now it shows you no longer see this chat here. This will also delete the deleted activity like prompts, response and the feedback from the Gemini activity. Confirm it. That's it. This is the simple way. Just long press on the prompt, just click on delete option and delete it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super marble content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.